Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a transparent Instagram post using Canva. So we're going to open Instagram post. Now we're going to go to elements. We're going to select our image. We're going to adjust the size. Now we're going to select a shape. Right here to colors. We're going to scroll. We're going to select this one. We're going to select it again. We're going to select right here. We're going to move this. Change the color of this one to purple. We're going to add a next color. We're going to add a orangish red. Now we're going to add a next color. To 0. We're going to select this one. We're going to turn it down also, not too far. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate. Duplicate to give it more body. You can do it any amount of time you want. So you can add whatever elements you want. I'm going to add my elements to complete mine. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.